Hi, I'm Bill Roberts. I'm the Senior Director of Product Management here at Adobe, and we're at IBC 2018 in Amsterdam. And that's going to give you an update on what we're doing with all of our products. One of the hottest things that's hit the market is the motion graphics templates workflow, where you can take a whole After Effects comp and encapsulate it into a motion graphics template and share it with Premiere. One of the things that's really resonating here is the ability to do that in a data-driven way. So you can actually now take a CSV or a TSV or a JSON file, and inside of Premiere, just point it at that, and all of your fields auto-update. So broadcasters are loving that, but equally as applicable to anyone who has to get the spelling of captions and other information correct. Also in Premiere, one of the things that's looking fantastic is an entirely new user interface for curves, selective color correction, using an entirely new user experience, which is fantastic. Really fast, really powerful, and combined with the new layer stack we've added to Lumetri makes color correction even easier. So Premiere's had a big update. If you're into VR, we've also added the support for the new 180 format, so full end-to-end workflow for people who want to do VR 180. Jumping back over to After Effects, so lots of things happening there. If you're a hardcore After Effects user and you're using expressions, an entirely new engine, which is 5 times faster than it was in the past, so super fast. Whole range of tools to help you deal with puppets and pinning and changing the way you interact with the software. One of the big things where we have the ability to control time. So let's say you've got an animation and you want to freeze something and make sure no matter how long or short the comp gets, that particular animation happens over a period of time. We've got all of that locked in as well. New features as well, new integrated Mocha technologies right inside of After Effects also. So big release there, fantastic update. Feeding into this is Character Animator. So Character Animator, fabulous product that allows you to start performing your animation. It's behind shows like Our Cartoon President, a lot of the stuff you see on Colbert. But getting started, one of the things people really wanted is their own puppet created from scratch, which is one of the more difficult parts. Not anymore. We have Characterizer, which first was shown last year at our Max conference as Puppetron. This is the ability to literally look at the computer. It's going to ask you to smile, frown, say a few words, and it's going to generate a puppet, and then you can apply styles from any face. From something as simple as a pen sketch to the Mona Lisa, you can now bring it to life using Character Animator. Really completes the whole cycle, so you can do something that's bespoke to yourself, turn yourself into a cartoon, quickly and easy, all using Sensei technology. So also with this idea of machine learning and helping computers help us do more, which is the theme of the show, by the way, smarter tools. If I jump over to Audition, we've added an amazing new technology, deverb, denoise. So de-reverb, denoise your content. So what this does in an environment where you actually have the voice repeated, that's reverb, or you just have noise, this is a new algorithm which with literally just 2 sliders, you can reduce all the sound immediately. Unbelievable, particularly if you're dealing with audio that may come from something like an iPhone where you're shooting and you have the person speaking a long way away from the microphone. Fabulous feature there. Combine it with some of the performance gains we put into Audition. We're now able to play about 120 tracks back in real time, no hardware. We're able to record about 32 tracks, no hardware. So if you're just moving into post-audio, you've got such a rich platform now. And when you look at the new streamlined UI, and we've got it really into the details, so it looks fantastic. You can adjust volume levels in multiple places, super easy. AI tools with Sensei across the board. It's a massive release across the whole table for Adobe here at IBC 2018. Aside from all the things that you normally expect from Adobe at an update like IBC, during the summer at VidCon, we introduced a new project, Project Rush, which is designed for people who may not be as skilled and can handle products like Premiere Pro, but still want to communicate with video and produce things that look great and sound great. So Project Rush also is available on your mobile device, iOS, Android, all the way up to the desktop product. So Rush uses the same back-end engine as all of our professional products, but provides a streamlined user experience that goes from camera to publish, all in one single application. And the beautiful thing about that is it can connect up into Premiere Pro if you want to take your edits even further. So that kind of gives you an overview of all the things we're announcing here at IBC. All these things we're showing here will be available at a later date, but please check it out, and all the information is on the web right now. Thank you very much.